Ciao ragazzi, io sono Marina e io amo pasta. Oggi prepariamo I maccheroni al formaggio. Mamma mia! Hi, this is Marina from Health Gloves, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to prepare raw vegan mac and cheese, or should I say mock cheese, because we are leaving dairy products to those whom they belong. Cows are mothers, and their milk belongs to their babies. Luckily, there is much more delicious and healthier cheese alternative for us. What is that? You're gonna find out in this very video. By the way, do you know that mac and cheese is a pasta dish that is not popular in Italy? However, the sole idea for pasta and cheese originates in Italy. Anyhow, let's go straight to today's recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need are:
the list of all the ingredients is available for you on my healthglows.net website. Just click the link below this video. You can order all the equipment you need to make this recipe on amazongloves.com online shop. Click the link below this video. Freeze some fresh sweet corn 1 day in advance. Clean the corn. Wash the corn cobs in clean water. The water you wash your food in is the water that ends up in your body directly or indirectly. Therefore, it is very important that you use only filtered water for washing your food. I highly recommend a reverse osmosis water filter because the water purification system removes harmful substances typically found in city water such as chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, sulfates, pesticides, etc. With this reverse osmosis water filter, you can have pure water running out of your kitchen tap. Order your water filter on amazongloves.com online shop via the link below this video. Place the corn cobs in a freezer bag. Put the corns in the freezer. Also, 1 day in advance, measure 0.7 ounces, which is 20 grams of raw sunflower seeds, and 0.7 ounces or 20 grams of raw almonds. Nuts and seeds contain anti-nutrients such as phytic acid. These substances bind to the nutrients inside the nuts and seeds, preventing their absorption in the body. As anti-nutrients dissolve in water, soaking nuts and seeds enhances their digestibility and bioavailability of their nutrients. Soak the sunflower seeds and almonds in clean water for about 12 hours. The next day, take the corn out of the freezer. First, put the corn in the fridge for a couple of hours, then at room temperature to completely thaw and soften. Using a strainer, rinse the soaked sunflower seeds in clean water. Transfer the washed sunflower seeds into a glass. Also using a strainer, rinse the soaked almonds in clean water. For now, leave the washed almonds in the strainer. Put on hygienic gloves and peel the almonds. Just by lightly pressing your fingers on the surface of each almond individually, the almond peel should come off easily. The brown peel of almonds contains anti-nutrients such as tannins and phytic acid. Also, it is hard and difficult to digest. This is why it is better to remove it. Cut the lemon in half. Juice 1/2 of the lemon over the sunflower seeds and juice the other half of the lemon over the almonds. Let the sunflower seeds and almonds sit in the lemon juice while you make the macaroni. Wash the zucchinis in clean water. Peel the zucchinis. Using a veggie sheet slicer, make the zucchini sheets. You can order this practical and very useful kitchen tool on Amazon Glove's online shop. Click the link below this video. See this zucchini end? Save it because we will use it in making the macaroni. Place the zucchini sheets one over the other, then chop them all together to the macaroni size. Transfer the macaroni to a bowl. Cut off the very ends of the zucchini leftovers and set them aside for the sauce. Chop the very middles of every remaining zucchini to the macaroni size. Put all the macaroni in a bowl. Just look at the beautiful macaroni we got. Now that we have macaroni, we prepare our mock cheese sauce. Rinse the sunflower seeds in clean water. Rinse the almonds in clean water. So remove the lemon juice, which we don't need for this recipe, but it has served its purpose to give the sunflower seeds and almonds a slightly acid flavor. Measure out 0.7 ounces, which is 20 grams of sesame seeds. We use sesame seeds to make our famous Parmigiano Reggiano, which we called Sesame Giano. Grind the sesame seeds in the mortar. Look at this beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano, Sesame Giano. Put aside 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds in a bowl. Chop half of the almonds. Add the half of the sunflower seeds and chopped almonds to the mortar over the sesame seeds. Pour clean water into a spray bottle, then spray the ingredients in the mortar while grinding them with the pestle until you get a homogeneous white mixture, as you can see in the video right now. We made cheese and now we are going to make butter. Separate the softened corn kernels from the cob. We used softened and blended corn as a healthy substitute for butter. Put the corn kernels in the blender. Add the remaining half of the almonds and sunflower seeds to the blender. Add the remaining zucchini ends to the blender. Add 1 teaspoon of dried celery to the blender. Protect your precious ears with earmuffs. Noise accumulatively and irreversibly damages the cells inside the inner ear. Because of this, it is very important to protect the inner ear from noise. Order high-quality earmuffs on AmazonGloves.com online shop. Blend all the ingredients into a yellow creamy sauce. Pour the sauce into the bowl over the macaroni. Mix everything together. Transfer the macaroni in the sauce to a casserole dish. Pour the mock cheese from the mortar over the macaroni. Pour the remaining sesame giano that you left aside over the macaroni. Put your beautiful macaroni and cheese in the dehydrator and dehydrate them for about an hour at 117 Fahrenheit, which is 47 Celsius degrees. It's time to serve. Take out the casserole dish from the dehydrator. Serve the macaroni and cheese in a bowl. Here is your beautiful raw yet warm mac and cheese. And now let's try this beautiful mac and cheese. Honestly, this is one of my favorite dishes of all time. I sincerely hope you will love it as well. Get many more delicious and healthy recipes in the Raw Vegan Culinary Set. In the Raw Vegan Culinary Set, you get a total of 157 delicious and healthy, low-fat raw vegan recipes. Soups, dressings, sauces, dips, pasta, cookies, cakes, drinks, spices. Out of that, 40 raw yet warm recipes warmed in the dehydrator, as well as 2 pre-recorded online culinary classes that you just need to follow step by step. For the whole set, you get a discount by using the coupon code TASTY and HEALTHY. Click the link below this video. Take advantage of this discount and make the transition to a diet of delicious and fresh plant-based foods that contribute to your health and vitality.
I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and that you're gonna gladly and often make this delicious raw vegan mac and cheese. Just look at this dish! And please let me know through the comments right now. Would you like to have this bowl in front of you right now? I hope that your answer is yes, because it would be my pleasure to serve you. For the very end, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button, because I have so many more videos that are coming up for you and I want you to enjoy them. In those upcoming videos on my YouTube channel Health Glows, you're gonna get free raw vegan recipes and free education on a raw vegan diet, fitness and healthy living. If these are the topics that you are interested in, then welcome to my little world, my YouTube channel Health Glows. Until the next video, I'm wishing you all the best, and as always, keep glowing, my friends. Arrivederci!
Order your raw vegan culinary set via the link below this video.